We will tell you the 10 tips that will make you rich. You need to follow all these tips we will say to you. So watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Expand your circle of influence. Now is the perfect moment to hone your social media network if you happen to have one. The best way to succeed is to surround yourself with successful people and learn from their mistakes. People in your network who aren't going to help you achieve your $1 million goal may also be cut ties with. In your real-life interactions, you may see this method in action. If you want sound financial advice, finding a mentor is a good first step. The most critical thing is to be with individuals who will push you to be your best. Number 2. Find assistance from others. Get professional assistance if you want to become a billionaire this year. If you want advice on budgeting, saving, and investing, you should hire a financial advisor. Some individuals believe they are capable of handling their own financial situation. The best way to learn the ins and outs of the financial industry is to consult a professional, even if this may be accurate. Because the advisor's job is to guide you toward prudent financial choices, you shouldn't be concerned about losing control. In the grand scheme of things, your voice is what counts. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know the latest financial strategies and tips to get rich. Number 3. Put your money into cryptocurrency. Staggering $5,000 to $7,000 was the return on investment for many crypto investors in 2021. Also seeing a 35 to 40% increase in value were blue-chip cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Despite a 32% drop from its early 2021 level, the value of cryptocurrencies has recovered and is now 32% higher than when Elon Musk tweeted and China cracked down on crypto trade. It should be noted that the prices of cryptocurrencies are declining. Nevertheless, with the current price drop, it's a great time to buy. Cryptos, like other traded items, will see a recovery sometime this year. Putting your money into solid cryptocurrency is the next logical step. You must study about cryptocurrencies, like about the current rate and any upcoming news or launches or of global events before buying crypto. Number 4. Assets held for a limited time. Try investing for the short term if you're nervous about putting all your eggs in the cryptocurrency basket. These assets are referred to by experts as marketable securities or short-term investments. No matter what you call it, this investment class is top-notch and very liquid. Money market accounts are the simplest and most lucrative options for short-term investments. Currency trading, in which you purchase and sell currencies according to market fluctuations, is another option for short-term investments. Treasury bills, CDs, municipal bonds, and high-yield savings accounts are some more options for short-term investing. Number 5. Maximize the money you save every month. Are you aware of the amount of money you put away each month? Most people recommend putting away 10% of your salary or more. If your goal is to amass $1 million this year, however, you need to set aside at least 30%. Obviously, until your monthly income is close to $280,000, this will remain out of the question. You need to realize that saving money isn't going to get you $1 million. Increasing your monthly savings might make your funds go a long way. By making the required changes to your lifestyle, you may save 10% in the first month, for instance. After 1 month of making the necessary adjustments to your spending patterns, you will have saved 12%. Number 6. Gain knowledge and earn money by mastering new abilities. A new skill may be learned and mastered at any age. While the sky's the limit in terms of what you may study, it's wise to zero down on something you can use to make money. Coders, software engineers, AI specialists, and network developers, to name a few, are in high demand. Designing algorithms, online frameworks, user interfaces, and cloud computing is also becoming more important. You should have even more reasons to become a billionaire this year if you have a degree in computer science or information technology and specialize in these fields. Even if you don't have a background in information technology, you may still benefit from this year's lessons. Discovering a talent that you can become an expert at in a few months is the main objective. The next several months may be focused on making money with this expertise. Number 7. Look for a job that pays more. The question may seem ridiculous, but is your salary enough for the work you do? There may be a lot of benefits offered by your present employment. Earnings per paycheck are, alas, the be-all and end-all. The moment to take stock of your abilities has come if you want to amass a fortune. You should be completely forthright while evaluating your skills, knowledge, and other work-related qualities. You have skills that many organizations are eager to pay more for than your company. Changing careers to one with a higher salary won't make you a billionaire overnight, but it will get you closer, I promise. You'll be able to put more money away and put it toward better investments. You may become a billionaire faster than you thought possible with its help. You are under no obligation to quit your present position. There may be a more prestigious job available at the organization with a greater salary. Number 8. Increase the number of sources of income. It wouldn't be enough to become a billionaire even if you got a well-paying promotion or a more lucrative job offer. Without quitting your work, you need to come up with additional and better methods to make money. Multiple sources of income are important for many self-made billionaires. Better or more fruitful options are continuously being considered by them. Every multimillionaire has a way of making money. That's the way all the rich think. You need not have a massive side hustle to supplement your income. Selling things online, pinning an ebook, or charging a fair amount for your skills are all easy ways to make money. It's not uncommon for individuals to earn a living off of creating interesting and amusing videos on YouTube. Making apps for both iOS and Android is a great way to put your computing skills to work. No one of you can expect to amass millions of dollars from these sources of revenue. The result of combining their efforts will astound you. If you want to increase your income, rather than watching Netflix all day, you should think about methods to earn extra money. Instead of doing nothing and sitting by the pool with a glass of lemonade or iced tea, keep working on ideas that may make money. Number 9. Save money by reducing wasteful expenditure. The importance of living frugally and building money is well known. Regrettably, being frugal doesn't happen often enough. Making sacrifices is essential if you want to amass a fortune rapidly. Forgetting about Starbucks won't win you $1 million by year's end. Your daily consumption of handmade espresso, at least 4 cups, is not a sufficient reason to cancel your trip. Go out to a nice restaurant at least once a month. Going to the park or mall on the weekends won't cut it. Poultry and other animal products, for instance, may cost you at least $1,000 a year if you can't alter your eating habits. An additional $1,000 or more may be spent on sugars, candies, preserved foods, and drinks. You may find cheaper options that are just as healthy to replace these dietary choices. Number 10. Picture yourself with $1 million. A lot of people believe it's unrealistic to expect to become a millionaire in a year. Their indecision and lack of determination are the only things preventing them from realizing their aspirations. You need to know exactly how you'll spend your $1 million. Suggesting things to yourself automatically. It seems unbelievable, and we get it. But the steps you take to amass $1 million will be more tangible if you have a crystal clear mental image of it. Instead of focusing on the fact that you just have a few $1,000s on hand, Try seeing yourself as a billionaire right now. Your mind will be flooded with ideas on how to become a millionaire before you ever realize it. Now, to know the actual rules of money the millionaires follow, click on the video appearing on the left side and watch it. Also, subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest financial news and updates.